Hello friends, I am Jamit. Welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to share and talk about Node.js version 18 new features. Nowadays, a wider community around the world using Node.js for developing the API-driven web application and also in the serverless cloud development. Node.js widely used for as a runtime for serverless function. So in this video, I am going to share Node.js 18 recent launched version new features. Node.js 18 recently launched on 19 April 2022. So let's get started. Node.js 18 version is now officially available as a current release, and that will replace the Node.js 17 as a current release up to 6 months. And once it will complete the 6 month around in October 2022 or September, it will be promoted to LTS version for a long time support. And once it is promoted to LTS version 18 will be supported until April 2025. Okay, so it would be good to know about Node.js 18 exciting new featers. The first exciting new features will be introduced in this Node.js 18 version is like fetch. In the experimental mode, like this fetch is now supported inbuilt features in the Node.js. So that kind of like exciting announcement. If we see so far, when we want to use this fetch, we generally need to import those external library like node fetch to using this fetch operation, and this we know like this is a widely used kind of features. So Node.js now officially include this in inbuilt core support, and that will be in experimental mode at the moment, and that implementation come based on this IndiG library, and like this is inspired by node fetch module. So you can see like it will be supported like this. You will have to directly do await fetch function use, and you can do call your URLs or endpoints, and then based on result you can do pass your JSON data and use it. Okay, so this is a really major important feature released as a part of Node.js 18 inbuilt fetch API. Okay, another thing is like web stream APIs also introduced as like in experimental mode supported by default. So Node.js now expose the experimental implementation of web stream API on the global scope. Okay, so this is also an experimental mode support, and this all APIs now will be available as a global API. So like read stream, readable stream, default reader, and there are many things like text decoder stream, and compress stream, and decode compression stream, and there are lots of all these web stream APIs will be available globally as a part of this Node.js 18 version. So this will be also a big announcement we can see, and it is in experimental mode at the moment. Other global APIs included in support of Node.js 18 version is Blob API and Broadcast Channel APIs. These both are supported global as a global APIs, and these both APIs are also no longer experimental now. So this is also kind of like big announcement as a part of Node.js new version launch, 18 version launch. Apart from that, this is also one of the bigger announcement as a part of Node.js 18 version. Now Testrunner module. Okay, so this Testrunner module launched as a part of Node.js 18 version, that is in experimental mode. So this test cases and Testrunner module will support feature of implementing a unit and those other kind of test cases internally without using any third party like JS or some other third party modules. So this is a kind of really great new feature announcement as a part of Node.js 18 version. So like Testrunner module will allow us to implement a test cases. You can see here example. Here one top level test case implemented. It is checking two sub level test check. Here we are checking like as a string equal in both sub test and top level case. So it is now supported by default internally as a part of Node.js 18 version as a Testrunner module. Okay, so when we want to use that, we only just need to import that, like import test from node colon test. So this is node colon test, which means to that here the node colon test. So node colon means like we are importing the core modules, like whenever we are giving node dot colon and whenever we are specifying node colon, which means to that we are importing the core modules for doing for using it instead of like user landed external things. Okay, the node test module facilitates the creation of JavaScript tests that report result in tab format. So it is like we only need to do import test from node colon test semicolon test node colon test, and then we need to write the test cases like this. So it will be really easy without using any third party. So node colon test will import the core modules, this Testrunner module, and we are easily able to do assert equal or any kind of unit testing implementation as a part of Node.js 18 version. Okay, so this is a really one of the biggest announcement. Also, apart from there, there are toolchain and compiler upgrade announcement also. Like this Node.js provide a pre-built binary for several different platforms. So there are some announcement relevant to that compiler support upgrades for Linux and Mac different version. There is a build time user land snapshot. So there is a starting from Node.js 18, user can build a Node.js binary with a custom v8 startup snapshot using like this node snapshot main flag of the configure script, which means to that like they have upgraded the v8 version also. We will see like in upcoming list. There they have also upgraded engine like to v8, so that is supporting the user land snapshot feature built in time. So we are able to use that advanced things as a part of this Node.js 18 version by using v8 in experimental mode. Okay, so here is that relevant announcement I'm talking about. Like v8 engine is updated to version 10.1. So this v8 engine is updated to version 10.1, which means that it is like compared to before that it was 17.9 version. So 10.1 version will support some new features. So that v8 engine is updated to version 10.1, which is a part of Chromium 101. So compared to this old 17.9 version, this v8 engine 10.1 version will have this kind of extra features like find last and find last index. Those kind of array methods are extra supported. Improvement to this local APIs. Also this like supported value of this function supported. Apart from that, like improved performance of class field and private class method, like initialization of that is now a faster comparatively. So this v8 engine 10.1 one version upgrade is also giving us a lot of new feature as a part of Node.js 18 version. Okay, so this is also one of biggest announcement. So here we can see at the end, in summary, call to action is like Node.js 12 will going to end of life in April 2022. So this is a kind of one of the flag. If you have application in Node.js 12, better you can upgrade it to somewhat other LTS long-term support version, so that will be easier for you to get it upgraded and have a highly secure and highly new features available for your application. So that you can see like this Node.js 14, Node.js 16 was already existing LTS version, and later later after 6 months or so we will have a Node.js 18 will be in LTS mode. Okay, so currently Node.js 18 will be in current release for the next 6 months, or around October 2022 it will be in LTS mode available. Okay, so once it will be promoted to LTS version, it will be supported until April 2025. Okay, so these are the some updates about Node.js recent launched version 18. Hope you get overall idea about the new launched feature of Node.js 18 by watching this video. And you can also visit official Node.js website and see the recent announcement, so you will get a more detailed level idea on this recent launch feature things. I hope you like this kind of technical video on my channel. Please share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get updates regarding my future technical video, and keep like and sharing, subscribing my channel, so I will feel encouraged to create a more video for technical community. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video.